na mahigpit pong ipinibabawal sa aming mga fire safety enforcers yung pag-rekomenda, pagbebenta at pagsuporta sa kahit anumang tatak ng fire extinguisher o kahit anumang kagamitang pangkaligtasan.
The DILG has released this new video on proper protocol for fire inspections. This comes after complaints that business owners are being forced to buy overpriced fire extinguishers just to get their permits approved. To stop this, the DILG is requiring BFP inspectors to wear body cameras during inspection.
Ma-inform ko lang po kayo sa bagong procedure ng Bureau of Fire Protection. Ito pong ating gagawin ay recorded na po. Pwede rin po kayo magsagawa ng sarili ng recording. At kung pumayag po kayo sa recording na gagawin po ng Bureau of Fire Protection, pwede niyo po i-request yung video recorded pagkalipas po ng 7 araw ng pag-conduct po natin ng fire safety inspection. Kung sakali man po na hindi kayo pumayag, hindi po kami makakapag-proceed para inspeksyonin na inyong gusali.
Malutalo si Bartolome, Business Mirror.